Welcome back to the Life Mechanics, and I'm so glad that you're back again every week watching the series on animal. And I'm glad that you're able to learn lessons from animal and then apply in your settings where you're living. And today's interesting animal that we will learn is about octopus. So, octopus are known to have three hearts. It's a famous quote, a proverb on heart. As the water reflects the face, so one's life reflects the heart. As the water reflects the face, so one's life reflects the heart. So my dear friends, our heart is so important, just like these octopus. If you see the octopus, although they live in a lonely, secluded place, they would always go around finding the beautiful shells and the trinkets, and they would decor the place where they stay. And also the octopus, if you see them, they are very intelligent creature. And also octopus are known to respond to situations, and they change the color of the skin in 0.3 seconds. So what do we learn? Even in the midst of the lonely situations, they know how to make it colorful. I do not know what you're going through, maybe in your work pressure because of COVID situations, or maybe because of your battle in your marriage. I have no idea what you're going through as crisis, but surely we can learn that octopus knows how to make things enjoyable even in the midst of loneliness. Being alone in different from being lonely. For example, you may sit and watch a football match with a group of friends and still find yourself lonely. For example, on the other side, you can watch a football match alone and still enjoy and not feel lonely. Octopus is something that it enjoys, even if it's alone, it enjoys the environment, makes it colorful. On the other side, octopus can change its color at 0.3 seconds, and that teaches us a lesson how to become adaptable to a situation. There are some situations we may not really like it to be, but again, octopus teaches how to become adaptable. And adaptability is one beautiful gift that God has given to all of us. Learn to adapt based on your environment of friends, family, workplace, and that requires your heart to accept it. Thank you so much for watching. There are so many other videos. Go ahead, click the other videos about the animals and watch and learn to apply in life.